Hey, today we are going to use soft body to almost slap everyone. Hope you like it. Before we start, I want to thank two artists, DJ Maset for the head model and Sololo Penko for the hand model. Also, I put the link of both model in description. So here we go, let's start it. Okay, after we import the FBX file and locate the texture for Blender, we need to clean up the mesh. There are three parts that we have to take care of: teeth, eyes, mouth. Select the head and press tab to go to edit mode. Select polygon of the teeth part and then hit Ctrl L. Now we can delete them. For eyes, select polygon and then hit Ctrl L to select everything. And then press P to separate them. Add a boolean modifier to the head, put it on union and select the eyes. And then put the solver method on fast. Now apply it and delete the eyes. As you can see, they combined very well. For the mouth part, we have to delete it like the teeth. Select an edge loop and cut the mesh from there and delete the polygons. Okay, for the slapping machine, I add an empty and used a box as a hand because in the simulation and physics, as much as we have the lower amount of polygon, we can faster achieve the results. Add a collagen to the box and use 0.01 for thickness. Put the pivot point on the center of the empty, copy it 4 times, and select them and parent them to empty. Then we need 2 keyframes at the first and end of their frame range on rotation Z-axis. Delete the other axis. For the first keyframe at 45 and for the last keyframe at -1500. And at the end hit the spacebar to see how's the speed. Okay, we are almost done. Before we going to soft body for the head, we have to add a triangulate modifier to make sure that we don't have any end-on. Of course, the quad are the best for the modeling, but after that, we can use triangle. The end-on are the worst. Okay, we are now at the easiest part of this tutorial. Add a soft body to the head. Add gold section. Under the setting, we have stiffness. Use 0.7 for it. For the damping, use 20. On the strength, for default, you use 0.8. And at the edge section, for bending, use 5. Also, don't forget to turn off the gravity and also check the stiffness and self-collision. All we have to do is bake. Depending on configuration of your computer, simulation can take about 10 to 45 minutes. Okay, the only thing that we have to do is add a subdivision surface to disappear this low poly effect. The cool thing is the subdivision turned this low poly to wrinkles. For presentation, I add 2 point light on the right and left and a plain light on the behind of the head. And then I used a 33mm camera. For the background, I add a plane and extrude the edge and bevel it. And add a light that directly goes to the back. And import the hand, copy it 4 times and parent it to the empty. And this is the result. I don't know why every time I'm recording video for YouTube, I'm sick, man. Hope I can survive.